Welcome to Quick and Easy Meals. We're going to make a breakfast today, and if you're tired of bacon and eggs and cereal, you might want to try this recipe using no flour, no milk, and no oil. All right, let's get started. Okay, now let's go over the ingredients. First, you'll need 2 bananas, 4 eggs, cooking oil, blueberries, and your favorite syrup. Even if you can find blueberry syrup would probably be the best, but my favorite is Miss Butterworth's original. Just keep in mind when you make this recipe that you should probably eat it all at the same time because the ingredients will turn brown very shortly after you mix up the batter. Okay, so let's get started. So first, we want to remove all the little stringy things from the bananas, and then we're going to smash up the bananas and make them as smooth as possible, and liquefy them. Okay, next we will add the 4 eggs and liquefy this mixture as much as possible. Next, we will heat up the pan and spray on the cooking spray. And let that heat up. Then we will begin to make our banana cakes. Now let's begin to make our cakes. We'll cook them on each side for about 3 minutes per side. Next, we'll add our blueberries, as many as you like. I try to add about 5 each time. And then we'll flip the pancake. Now you can eat your banana cakes like this, or you can add syrup. I haven't tried blueberry syrup, but I'm sure it would be sweet. Very good. Thank you for watching Quick and Easy Meals. Also, you can try this recipe with cinnamon instead of blueberries. Give that a try. Let me know what you think. In the meantime, like, share, and subscribe. See you till next time.